how to add friends in Among Us. But before moving on to the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and hit the like button below. Now let's just start. So adding friends in Among Us is really easy. So just let's start Among Us. So in Among Us, before you add your friend, you need to know that you need to know your friend's code. So when your Among Us loads up, on the top right you will see a button called Friends. Just click on it. There you will see a lot of ways you can add your friends. In this, you can add your friends that you've recently played, add players that you have recently played with as friends. Here you can add your friends at via code. Here you can block players. Now here on the upper option, you will there you can see a request that you've gotten, and below you'll see add friend via code. Now for this, you will need to know your friend's code. After you know your friend's code, just type it in here, and then click on the green plus button. Now this will send a request to them. So before you guys become friends, they need to accept the request too. So that is how you add friends in Among Us. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.